My favorite intake ever. That had the engine on it.
So I paid $1,100 for it.
Oh my, I'm gonna fall on the pavement. This is a father-son project, right?
You're the best YouTuber out there. We're nothing.
Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are day 2 of Mustang week, guys. Lots of Mustang content. I always time it when the helicopters are flying over. I think the helicopters always fly over here. Got the engine noises going. It's gonna be awesome. Parked by FoxBody. We got Tiff over here as well, sporting the OG Gearhead 704 shirt. You on camera, babe? But yeah, lots of stuff to check out. Actually, we are at the Steeda Meet. This is a special meet that Steeda set up, and I did not go earlier to Cars and Coffee. In case you don't know, I'm not really a morning person here on the channel, or in life. Not just on the channel, in life in general. I'm not a morning person, so Cars and Coffee, not really for me. But we met those guys over there. They've got an awesome FoxBody they just picked up right here not too long ago. Show you guys the cars, do the whole Mustang week thing, you know? So I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Tiff and I are having a blast first time out here. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see if I can find some cool FoxBodies out here, but really Mustang week is mainly about these cars. Lots of S550s, some S197s, even really still the new Edge, you still see a lot of, but I get it. These cars are not that many years old, but then of course, we find a Fox right here. FoxBodies are still well represented. This is a nice clean one, looks like. I mean, who doesn't love a coupe, right? Gotta love a clean coupe. Over by a T-top. Now, we don't see a lot of T-tops anymore. I would honestly love a T-top. Matt's got an 85 T-top, but the Aero T-tops, I think they're a little more rare. But anyway, we are gonna do the car show thing. I wanna make sure you guys can see some of the cars out here. I always enjoy that. So let's walk through the parking lot. And if there's any more Fox content, I will definitely point it out. You guys are finding all the nice cars. Wow, look at this Coyote Swap. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Gotta recognize this car. Oh yeah, that is that 1326 car. And here we got another Fox. Now, they tell you 331 at least, you know. It's not like the video I had recently on the channel where I did not know what the cubic inches of the car were, you know. I never find out. I did see that guy here again, by the way. He still won't tell me. But what am I gonna say, guys, about this one? You know what I'm gonna say. My favorite intake ever. Gotta love the GT40s, but another coupe. It's really making me want to get my coupe going, guys. Really making me want to do it. Ran into someone here who's watched the channel a few times. This is Garrett, and Garrett, you've got a nice FoxBody here. I like the story behind it, but what year is it?
1989 LX.
It's an 89 LX hatch, and when you got it, you were just telling me it did not look like this.
Oh no, the whole engine was in the back seat, the heads were in the back seat. I mean, it was a mess.
Yeah.
There was no
was the interior all ripped up, or was like the engine on the back seat, literally?
The whole engine was in the back seat, literally.
Wow.
The interior was pretty nice.
Except for where the oil was on the seat, right?
The oil was all over the back seat. We got it cleaned up nice.
Actually, you did, yeah. There you go, guys. That had the engine on it.
Whole engine back there.
Yeah, all this interior was here. All these parts were here, basically.
All these parts, the short throw shifter. It's a Steeda, I think it's a Triax.
A Steeda Triax,
yep.
which we're at the Steeda event,
yep.
so that's perfect.
Perfect. I put the radio in it.
Okay.
The RPM gauge was already in there. Speedometer wasn't working, but I got that going.
Okay.
Got a new speedo gear and then a cable. Got that going.
Now, did it have the rear end was in?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. The wheels and tires.
These were on it
got
too?
Tires for it. I tried to get some new ones, but I didn't want to spend $500 on the Mickey Thompson. The wheels were on it. Yeah, the whole stainless
Oh,
steel
really?
exhaust. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Is it what exhaust is it? A Flowmaster? Or...
Look, there's mufflers under it.
Yeah.
They're real small.
Oh, that's probably not a Flowmaster then. Yeah. Oh, they are. Yeah, they won't see it here, but maybe they're like Dynamax or something. What gears does it have in it?
373s.
373s.
Yep.
You did say it had a T5.
T5, yeah.
And then was the transmission in it, or that was also laying on the seat?
Transmission was actually.
Okay, just the engine was
Yeah,
it?
just the engine.
And what are we looking here? Is this a 302 or?
Well, it's 430 over. It's
306.
Yep.
Okay.
Metal rock intake.
What cam's got?
E303 and EQ.
Oh, E-cam, nice. And then what heads are you running? GT40?
They're E7s. They're the stock heads.
Oh, they are stock
They
heads.
were polished and ported.
Okay,
so.
ported stock heads.
Yep. I believe they're shorty headers.
Okay, yeah.
And
Which
then-
makes it easier to change the starter because I just had to do that on mine.
I believe these are under drive pulleys, but the AC delete,
Okay, so,
fog delete,
yep.
yeah, all that stuff.
Now your dad was into FoxBodies first, right?
Yeah, he used to. You worked at the Ford dealership, didn't you? Whatever.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you worked at Ford.
Yeah, in the 80s when they came out.
Oh, wow. So you saw,
I got to drive them all back then.
You saw him on the showroom, man.
Yeah. The car carriers were on strike, and we used to go down to Philadelphia and pick them up and bring them back up
Really?
to Cook County in Pennsylvania. Drive them back.
That had to be fun.
Yeah, that was fun, yeah.
So he kind of got you into it.
Oh yeah, he got me into cars
Yeah.
for sure. He taught me everything I know about them, and then got her the new Edge 2 years ago or something like
Yeah,
that.
this is the mom's car right here.
Yep.
We already talked, it's a little more reliable, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's
we
okay.
still love our
We still like
FoxBodies.
these, we still like these. Yeah, I like the simplicity of these.
Awesome. Yeah, they're easy to work on. You got a cowl hood, I just noticed,
Yeah,
right?
I went and got it.
What do you think about this? Because I don't normally see these.
I went and got it for $150.
Okay, so this was one thing that was not on the car.
It was, but he like homemade it, and I didn't like it. It was kind of butchered. You know?
Okay.
So I went and just got this one for $150, and then eventually I'll buy a Cervini or something like that.
Yeah, it's functional though.
Yeah, it works. That's the thing. Yeah, it didn't have one on it. I wanted a hood.
But the best part is, I mean, do you want to tell him? He told me, but do you want to tell him what you got it for? All this.
So I paid $1,100 for it.
Oh my! I'm gonna fall on the pavement.
Craziness.
$1,100. All you had to do was assemble it. Some assembly required.
Yeah. Yep.
It's like a Legos. FoxBodies like Legos.
Exactly.
Oh, that is awesome. Awesome story. Glad you and Dad are back in it. Yeah, thanks for sharing it on the channel,
no
Garrett. Do you have Instagram or anything?
Yeah, I do. Garrett_chocolate milk 13.
All right. I'm going to try to remember that.
You got
but
it,
just
yeah.
in case, message me on my Instagram, Garrett704. I'll plug in my own stuff on my channel.
Got it.
But message me and I'll tag you on that.
Got it.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, no
and thanks as well, Dad. Appreciate it. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh my God, guys, we got a celebrity sighting here. We have the amazing cameraman. What's going on, buddy? From Brit 5.0. Good to meet you, Jared. I'm just kidding. Of course, we got Britt as well. So.
I didn't realize how. I'm gonna take this right. I'm the cameraman.
Yeah, he's cameraman.
Look how tall he is. I didn't realize how
Hey, no,
tall
come
you
here,
were.
come on, get in here. Turn
Holy
this thing around.
crap.
Here we go, guys. This is perfect. Hold it
This
high.
is
Hold it high, Jared.
embarrassing. I know, right? I
Oh,
gotta
okay,
come
we'll do it
down
like
here.
that. Nice to meet you guys.
My goodness.
Welcome. You enjoying Mustang Week?
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, I've already seen your videos, guys. She's already so on top of it. She's posting videos. I posted a video from like, what, 3 weeks ago or something. I don't know. Content. Gotta have the content.
Heck yeah.
So glad to meet you guys in person.
Likewise.
You're the best YouTuber out there. Like, we're nothing, you know.
You paid him, huh?
This is your car, your knowledge is way bigger than ours.
Hey, all I gotta say is, I've been following you guys since Girls Dig Trucks.
Oh, heck yeah.
Girls
We've
dig
always been
Mustangs.
there.
Brit 5.0, I think you might have changed it a few times.
We need to
We might change it again.
Okay,
actually.
all right.
He was like the main event.
Yeah, exactly. 'Cause I'm kind of
They do.
taking over. So.
Well, be sure you guys check their channel out if you haven't already.
Oh, go follow this guy.
But they better be following me. If you ain't subscribed and you're watching, but no, we're kidding. We're gonna be hanging out though with celebrities like these guys, so check them out. I have their channel information up here, and they might have changed it by then. Who knows?
Yeah, right.
I had to say this real quick. I've talked about the board, but here is the man, Keith Keplinger, and you put all this together. You took Harris's pictures, in my words, and put it together.
Yes, I did. Thank you very much to Harris and your great words. We made a nice 2-page spread. It's getting a lot of hits on my Facebook page for it. It's working out great. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. So I will have his Facebook page so you can check out because you've done a lot of these. How many 2-page spreads have you done now?
This is, I think, 33 or 34.
Okay, wow. Check it out. I'll have the link down below. And we actually printed ours. We printed ours.
Every 2-page spread has a link that you can download the
Yep.
print file. So download them and print them up and make nice posters out of them.
Do you want people to reach out to you if they have a cool
They can
car?
reach out to me if they have a cool
Message
car.
you on Facebook, right?
And meet me on Facebook, and we'll talk about when we can get together.
I am out here at the Steeda event, of course, and I found one of their celebrities right here. Chris, what's going on, man?
I don't know about celebrity, but just happy to be here, and thank you so much for coming out.
Oh, absolutely. I really wanted to meet Brian, but you'll do for now. But yeah, this is a really cool event. You guys have some other events going on here at Mustang Week too, though, right?
For sure. So we'll have the show on Friday and Saturday. We'll have our booth. We'll also be doing raffle giveaways there as well.
Okay.
T-shirts, all the swag giveaways. It's going to be awesome. It's been hot already, and we're just going to keep on going, ride it out.
It is a little bit hot, it's a little bit hot, but I do love your stuff. As everyone watching the channel knows, I've got an 88 SSP. We've got a bunch of parts from that. We're gonna make it a track car, got sway bars, all kinds of stuff.
That's the way to do it.
So love it. Definitely check Steeda out. You guys probably already know Steeda, but had to link up with you guys since you're out here.
Awesome.
So,
well, thank you so much for coming out,
yeah,
man.
great to meet you, Chris.
Yeah, thank you.
So it's been kind of crazy here, guys, just talking to so many people, running into other YouTubers like you saw, but I am gonna try to give you a little bit more of the cars here. I know we just kind of abruptly stopped that. And then we got another event tonight. So anyway, yeah, let's take a look at a few more of these. There is another Fox I want to point out. And what about that story for $1,100 Fox? I wish I could do that deal now. I was excited about that. I'm getting ready to get out of here because I got the retro meet tonight, but before I leave, I found a good spot right beside this FoxBody. And what's cool about it is this is a father-son project, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is actually your car, right?
Yeah. 16th birthday present.
Got him a FoxBody for his 16th birthday, and you got it like this, right? With the GT40 intake, which I love the GT40 intake.
Yeah.
It's my favorite one. I won't shut up about it, but that is awesome. Were you pretty excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you know you were getting it, or was it a surprise?
Yeah, kind of.
You kind of knew, okay.
We went and picked it up until the morning we left. It was a surprise. He was
Okay.
like, okay, let's go.
Yeah.
So he was excited, and it was a great moment.
Are you loving it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, cool. Are you guys gonna come to Foxtoberfest?
Yeah, we're planning on it.
Okay. All right, and you have a Fox as well?
This was a father and son project,
Yeah.
kinda. I mean, we got a lot of it the way it was right now, but
Yeah.
we've done our little touches, sprayed the trim, and
Okay.
we did our own quarter windows, all that.
Oh,
work.
did you restored that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
My wife found us another 88 GT, father and son once again.
Oh.
That was a barn find for 74,000 miles on it.
Oh.
I bought it for $3,300.
You guys are gonna do work on that one together, right?
Yeah, it's a runnable
Awesome.
car also. Shadow
Very-
blue with gray interior. Once again, we're gonna pick out the right things for it. Hopefully this time next year we'll have it as also, and we'll be parking together and doing our thing like everyone else. So
Awesome. Well, we are going to have to check this one out more in depth a little later on than the other one, but I wanted to at least give you guys a quick shout out because I think it's cool to have father-son stuff together. So
absolutely, thank you.
yeah, awesome meeting you guys today. Really appreciate it. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you here next time with Gearhead 704.
To meet you as well.
Yep. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I said, yeah, it was nice to meet me. So that'll go in the bloopers. I like meeting myself too. You guys got me good on that one. Bloopers. All right, this is the best part. Can you reach the pedals?
Matt, you're too tall. I didn't realize how tall he was. Guys, go follow him on YouTube.
I appreciate it.
We are.
Not true, not true.
Push it.
No, there you go. Push him up. There he goes.